Looking for the best motorcycle lifts? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 motorcycle lifts on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. OTC Motorcycle Lift. The OTC Lift equips 17-inch skids for large and heavy bikes, and is rated for 1,500 pounds. Its lift range of 3.5 to 16.75 inches is wide, allowing for a variety of maintenance jobs to be done. Removable casters provide a full 360 degrees of access to your vehicle. Includes foot pedal release, automatic safety lock, and 2 ratcheting tie-down straps. This big and tall lift can handle the largest and widest cruisers. The jack retracts at a very fast pace, which raises safety concerns. At number 2. OrionMotorTech Dilated Scissor Lift. If you have a small to medium-sized motorcycle with a flat bottom, OrionMotorTech's Scissor Lift might be for you. Its steel frame can handle vehicles up to 1,000 pounds, and it has a lift range of 3.75 to 13.4 inches. This crank handle is very simple to use, and the unit folds down to a compact size for effortless storage. This classic scissor lift design is a stellar choice for motorcycles with flat bottoms. Not suitable for dirt bikes, ATVs, UTVs, or snowmobiles. A small number of users have reported threads stripping. At number 1. VIVOHOME Hydraulic Motorcycle Jack. Compact yet powerful, the VIVOHOME hydraulic jack can lift motorcycles weighing 1,500 pounds up to 15 inches high. Can be operated manually with a handle or attached to a compressed airline for easy pneumatic lift. Wears non-slip rubber pads for extra grip and a 3-position lock for added safety. Includes 2 tie-down straps, 2 adapter bars, and a detachable handle. The Ducati of motorcycle jacks, this durable steel tool can lift almost any motorcycle with manual and automatic modes. Rather expensive, and printed instructions can be hard to follow. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.